So we are going for the namaz of Eid, and mosque is about 5 minutes away. That means bread bank. So friends, we are done with the prayers, and the sermon was about Corona and how people should maintain social distancing, because in Turkey it's still not a major problem, but still concerning. The numbers are still concerning. So so today's plan is, so we're gonna go to a friend of ours. He lives around 100 kilometers south of Istanbul, or I'd say southeast, in a city called Kocaeli. It's a beautiful coastal city where we're gonna go, and the plan is to have some barbecue and visit some beautiful lakes nearby. Bro, what are you doing?
Getting some good smell.
Getting some good smell. So for everyone to tell, this is Sefa. He's like a brother to me, and he is from Turkey, and we are at their greenhouse at the moment, and that's their dog. And the big bro Saleh is somewhere right there. You could see him. Saleh, say hi. These guys are awesome. And this is Hussein.
Hi.
Hey Pixie, are you mad at me? Pixie? Pixie, you want food? Just to let you know that Sifa and Saleh, I know them since last decade, I guess, when we first met in Tajikistan, 2010. Yes, he was there to help his father run the greenhouse there. So these guys are greenhouse experts. They just run greenhouses everywhere in the world. Okay, look at the meat. Trust me, the food in Turkey is absolutely delicious. Let me just show you the place. It's just amazing. You'll be mesmerized. Dayanmaz oldum. Uyan alim uyan, uyanmaz oldun. 7 bıçak yarasına dayanmaz oldum. Gidene bak gidene, gidip de dönmeyene. Gidene bak gidene, gidip de dönmeyene. Fishy, 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 fishy. So friends, we are sitting in this amazing environment, this amazing atmosphere. You could see behind me a stream flowing. People are sitting here. I'm still with my friend Sefa, who brought us here to this beautiful place. And we're just enjoying, so much. And I hope that you are enjoying as well watching this vlog. You can see behind me is the Gulf of Kocaeli, the city that is 100 kilometers away from Istanbul. And you can see the beautiful, beautiful sea. I think it's the Marmara Sea, or I don't know exactly the name of the sea, but behind me it's such a beautiful landscape. And if you like it, do subscribe and share, because it's just too much fun to make these vlogs for you. Sen beni sevmiş olsan